Hello everybody and welcome. I am Candace Fields, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I am sharing a project with you using the Everything is Rosy product melody. So just as a reminder, I showed it in my pre-order reveal video, but just to quickly show you, you get a stamp set, you get your die set, some rose gold shimmer paint, and you get some die cut pieces, and you get these mirrored dots. But for our project today, and you also get some ribbon. Ooh, where is my ribbon? Ah, there we go. Here's my ribbon. So for our project today, we're going to make this cute little bag out of a sheet of the 6x6 Designer Series paper. Okay. And let's see, should I use a new sheet? I'll just use the same one. Okay, so you're going to use a whole 6x6 sheet. Okay. And I am scoring this paper. Okay, just want to make sure I'm just going in the right direction. I'm going to score this at 3/4 of an inch. Then at 2 3/4 of an inch. Three and a half. And then at 5 1/2. And then you're going to turn it around. And on one side, you're going to score at 3/4 of an inch. Okay? So this is what you have. I hope you can see the score lines. So we're just going to fold on these lines really quickly. Okay. And so now with this, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut up this side here. This is the side that you're going to attach to this piece. So on this, I think this is 1/4 of an inch, or this 1/2 inch piece here at the bottom, you're going to cut up and then cut at an angle. And then you're going to do this at the top also. And then for the other side, you're just going to cut up. Now, I like to, because of this crease here, I like to, I think they call it mitering the ends. It doesn't need to be by a whole lot. It just helps keep your edges clean. That should work. I think I did a really good job, but it should work. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some tearing tape. To this edge. And then this is going to be the front of my box. So I'm also going to add some tear tape here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get this down. Okay, so now we have our bag. Just bring these sides in. Just trying to make sure that this is going to look right. Okay, and there you go. And then I'm just gonna pinch this right here. Now, what you can do is you can hole punch and thread ribbon, but what I did was in the new catalog, we're gonna get mini library clips. Now, I already had some from a previous catalog, so I just grabbed it. And in here, I just had some old candy laying around. You can add a peppermint patty. And then 2 of these kind of like those little mini Hershey's. Will fit comfortably in there. And then, oopsie. Sorry, my hands are starting to go a little numb. It sucks when you have carpal tunnel. Okay? And that holds it together. So now we're going to do a little bit of stamping. And let's see here. This is a piece of thick Whisper White. And I think I used up all of the rose gold piece that I have. So I need to bring out another piece. Okay. I love this foil. I'm telling you, I really don't want to use it because it's just like, no, I don't want to use another piece. But I am. And I used on here my Night of Navy ink. And for the sentiment, what did I use? May your birthday be filled with pretty things. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna okay. So we don't need that anymore. So I am using, you're gonna need a 2-inch circle punch. And you're gonna need, just trying to find what did I do with it. Here we go. A 1 3/4 inch circle punch. Now this is retiring, so if you don't have this punch, you're going to want to pick this up. If you don't, we do have the layering circle dies that will work also. And then the rose gold piece, normally I would cut this down some, but I'm just going to bring it to the edge. Cut out a 2-inch circle. Okay. So now I am going to adhere this down. Okay, and I'm just going to use some mini dimensionals. Okay, I saw this being done by somebody, but I think they was using the other tool, but I'm going to try this out to quickly so another demonstrator using their tool for this. Okay, this last one is like, nope, we're not having it. Okay, and then we're gonna add this to our bag. Okay, then I took some of the Melon Mambo ribbon and I'm just gonna make a quick bow. I'm just playing with it here. So, I mean, don't forget, guys, this product Melody is going to sell out most likely before the end of the month. And so, you're definitely going to want to get your hands on this kit. And I hope that you guys purchase it through me. It's a great value for $80. Okay, I really wanted this to be a little more angled. Okay, hold on. Okay, we'll leave that alone. Okay, so now I'm just going to take a glue dot. Actually, this side looks too pretty. And there you go. A quick and cute little box that you could add some goodies in for somebody. Alrighty. Thank you for joining me today. Bye-bye.